How to fix brightness not working in Windows 11. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch Device Manager. For that, you can right click on the start icon or you can search for Device Manager in the search bar. Then launch it. Now over here, you're going to find different option. Head over to the option monitors. Click on it. Under monitors, you're going to find different options. You'll need to disable these drivers and then wait for a few minutes and again enable it. Right click on it, select the option disable, then again enable it. Likewise, head over to this option, display adapters. Click on it. Under that as well, you're going to find different driver options. Uninstall it, wait for a few minutes and again install it. Once you do this, head over to the section Action. Now go ahead and select the option Scan for hardware changes. Once you do that, you can close this, give a fresh restart to your PC, and with that your problem might be fixed. If this solution didn't work for you, what you can do is close this, right click on the start icon. From this list, select Terminal Admin. Now here you'll need to type in the command prompt sfc /scan now and then hit enter. Once you do this, give a fresh restart to your PC. By this, your problem will be fixed. So these are the solutions for fixing brightness not working in Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.